Hi, welcome to my channel. Before I teach you how to use enrollment system step by step, for those who subscribe to my channel, thank you so much. Here the Java project you've been waiting. I will give free source code to this project, only 1 week access. I will give free source code to the Java projects once a month. I will upload POS, inventory, payroll, and many more soon. If you don't want to miss with the free source code, just subscribe and hit notification bell to notify you every time I upload video. Just comment what part of enrollment system you want me to do tutorial. Okay, so let's proceed on how to use Java on the enrollment system project. Here, after you download the project, here's the content of this uh, project enrollment system. Then here's the jar file available here in library. Then this is the plugin of iReport or Jasper report. Okay, then this is runnable for any version of NetBeans, even below 8.2 version. Then or it also run to the latest NetBeans. Then let's proceed to NetBeans. And this is the example of the before we proceed to the NetBeans, this is the database SCC. Then this is the user. Then look, let's view the table. This is the username and password. And okay, I'll be using SQL Ultimate. Then it's okay if you use MySQL Workbench. Okay, so let's proceed to NetBeans. I'll be using NetBeans IDE 12.3. Then this is the project enrollment system. Then let's try to run the project. Okay, then let's take a look the SQL. Then the user is admin. Then let's try uppercase admin. Then admin. Then let's enter invalid user because that is the lowercase a. So let's make it lowercase, then admin, then enter. Then this is the sample. Then the data is provided in the enrollment system folder. Then before you register a student here, you need to create setup for a student here. Or if you create a class offer, you need to create a setup here. Okay, if can't create a offer class here, if you want to add, if there's error or it can't add, then let's view your semester. If there is no semester added yet, so that is it will error because in that class offer where school year belong. So kailangan niyang hanapin yung saan siya na belong na class offer. So ito yung offer. It ends start June 1, 2021 on then October 30, 2021. So then here, so create setup student. This is the table of students. Then for example, if you want to add here, if you want to add picture, then double click this picture, double click, then browse anywhere of the directories. Then for example, if you want to add picture, then go to pictures. Then for example, that is Aldrin. Then click, then add details here. Then that's it. So the next is course. If you want to add more course, then add what course. Then here, that is instructor. Then add instructor here, same as student. Then for example, this is the enrolled student. So let's register. For example, there's a new student. So let's type the ID is generated So for example, that is arrow up, then that is the this is enrolled student, so two enrolled student, because this is the two student created. So that this Ries Aldrin B enrolled these three subjects. If we scroll this 2021 and then 0002, so that is Koroto Kotok Jeromoro. Okay, so enrolled database administration. So that is uh, his subject. Then if you want to add subject like this, then click add. But we need to create a student. For example, let's create a student. For example, this is a new student, then click add. Then for example, this is a James Cooper Sauce. Then let's create course. Let's select course, then select male or date of birth. For example, that is 1993. Then for example, June or July 8. So that is 28 years old. Then select single, then Filipino. Then background, for example, that is Adamis or default, or I don't put default. 2005, for example, 2008 on 2010, then 2015 or 16, then in A. Then that is the example. Then click save, then save. Yes, successfully recorded. Okay, so are you saving without picture? Okay, so that's it. So this is the source James. Then for example, let's update, then let's add picture, then let's proceed to pictures directory. Then this is the example picture of James, then save. Yes, then successfully updated. Then okay, then for example, in the student, if you want to add course here, so you need to add course and setups. For example, click this course, then add, for example, that is BSCS that's BSCS. Okay, BSCS. Okay, for example, BS computer science, then save. Yes, and that is here in student, there's available computer science here, the computer science. So then next is let's register student, then click student here. Okay, then for example, that is okay, 2021. This ID number is generated if, for example, this student is registered in year 2021, then this is the third student is new, not yet enrolled. Okay, then enrolled, then enroll. Okay, not yet enrolled. So here let's enroll this student for some subjects. For example, this is one, then add. This is database administration, then 2, add. Oh no, same but different teachers. So let's delete this row. Yes, then let's add this one, add this software engineering, then let's register. Okay, So let's register. Are you sure you register soon? Soos James. So yes. Then Soos James was successfully recorded. Oh, enroll. Okay. Then print COR. Then let's COR in the desktop. Then save as PDF. Then for example, let's close that registered. Then let's open this. Okay. So this is the uh, certificate of registration by Soos James. This is the okay his certificate of registration. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will subscribe for soon you will be notified for the new update, new videos upload. I'm sorry. So thank you, maraming salamat. Bye bye.